A successful mobile application is not defined by its features alone. It is defined by the experience it delivers to the user. User-centric design ensures that applications are intuitive, engaging, and effective. A poorly designed application can frustrate users and drive them away, while a seamless, user-focused design increases engagement, loyalty, and growth. For example, consider an e-commerce business. A complex interface can result in abandoned transactions and revenue loss. By redesigning with the user journey in mind, sales increase, retention improves, and the brand earns long-term trust. Every interaction, from a simple swipe to a completed purchase, shapes the user journey. These interactions determine whether a customer remains engaged or chooses to leave. At Impressico, we deliver more than applications. We provide robust, scalable, and high-quality mobile solutions tailored to meet specific business goals. Our expertise ensures the right balance between quality, cost, and project requirements. Our approach ensures that every application is not only functional, but also future-ready, helping enterprises achieve measurable results. With Impressico, mobile applications are not simply developed, they are crafted to deliver seamless experiences for users and outcomes your business can rely on. Impressico Mobile App Development, building experiences your users value and outcomes your business can rely on.